Hey, my name is Young. I'm from AutoTuned. We're here at 2019 SEMA show at the RAYS wheels booth. Just wanted to introduce you guys to 2020 GR Supra in nitro yellow. Since we're already in the back, we'll start right here. If you can't tell, it's a Pandem kit. We wanted to put our own take and twist on it a little bit, run with some carbon. We work with Fly1 Motorsports, of course, some carbon work. You can see that we V-lined it from the diffuser, which is now being offered, center lined all the way through. But in the diffuser, right here, we've got the one and only Apex exhaust that was airshipped in from Japan, here in the States at the moment. So thank you for them. We've got the V-weave all the way up through here, through our louvers, and around to the side. We wanted to keep it clean and simple, because generally our style is not over the top, even though you can probably say this is kind of over the top, being it's a wide body Supra. Again, we got the yellow molding to try to hide the seams here, going into obviously the flares. Coming back around, these are the 1910.5 G025s and the matte gun black RAYS wheels, following along with the carbon up here. Supporters here, we were running the same finish as the wheel. So we wanted to tie that in together. They do offer carbon mirrors factory, but these are also done by Fly1 to follow with the carbon weave. And we tint the carbon a little bit darker than normal. So it gives it a little bit darker look. Brembo brakes up front. We've got the carbon V-weaved lip here as well. It's now sitting on RSR Sports Eye coilovers. So as soon as we leave the show, we got a lot more planned. So if you guys want to follow up on the build, our shop Instagram is auto.tuned. We're going to try to keep going with it and see where we can take it. Again, if you're looking for anything Supra related, Supra MK5 is the place to go. If you're not following it, you don't know what's up. So be there.